Welcome to another video. You want to know what are the best digital products to sell online right now. A lot of you are looking to create digital products or just looking to get your hands on some digital products. I'll cut to the chase and tell you right now, I am not here to show you how to make digital products. I'm here to make it even a more simple process and show you how to get some digital products that are already made, ready for you to go. You just get them and you resell them. So before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, and comment below what questions do you have so I can make more content, more videos. So I'm not here to help you make digital products. I'm here to show you how to sell digital products on the internet. This program, this system that I'm showing you right now is called the Home Business Academy. The reason why I'm showing you something like this because what you don't know is when you're creating a digital product, you're going to take a lot of time to create that digital product, but what you're forgetting is you're going to have to resell that digital product. You're going to have to market that digital product. So a lot of people put their capital, their money into creating these products, getting these products, and then they realize, dang, I have to put even more capital actually getting that product out there. That's why a lot of people do not do this type of thing, or they're so skeptical when getting online. This program called the Home Business Academy is going to show you how to market while showing you how to resell the digital products that you're going to learn from. These digital products are geared towards, they're geared towards marketing. They're geared towards education. So you're going to have, you're going to pretty much learn marketing from the most simplest thing is mindset all the way to the most technical thing, as far as social media. So you're going to be able to come in here and learn everything. You're going to be able to get your mindset right. You're going to be able to come in here and learn free strategies, starting your business, nourishing the seed up by following up, having a system, short form videos, which is TikTok Reels, YouTube ranking like you're seeing me do right now, the free Facebook ad methods. You're going to learn about Facebook ads, some other free things, LinkedIn, Facebook, blogging, some things that are going to set you up for anything you do. So when you're learning this thing, this is why I tell people to invest in a digital product that has education that's going to show you how to sell the digital product. Because say you decide to go out and do something like drop shipping or something like start your own course or sell some lotions or potions or candy, whatever, you're going to be able to do that. These skills, this skill set is going to allow you to be able to sell anything. So then we're going to come down here and get some paid traffic, some text messaging, some solo ad. If you know nothing about solo ads, that's why you need this education. Paid Facebook ads, Facebook video ads. You're going to learn some sales conversions. You're going to have weekly lives so you can get on here and ask any questions, weekly masterminds where people talk about what are they doing to get results. We have people getting, double sales daily, weekly, just with this digital product alone. You're also going to get access to a funnel builder, So for example, when you click the link below to get some information, that website is created through this funnel builder. You're going to be able to create your own personalized websites and websites. So anytime you have an idea, you want to create maybe you want to create something for someone else, you're going to be able to create a website and as many websites, funnels as you want. And you're going to get walked through, everything, from having access to people like me, but also how to set the builder up, how to optimize it. If you want to really get into making, professional websites, you're going to have hours of how-tos. You're going to be a pro after you go through everything. You're going to have access to live coaching. So actually, if you want to know the quality of websites you can build, this membership site that we're looking at right now, for the Home Business Academy system is built on the platform that you're going to have access to. So you see, you can put audio.
Hello.
You can have, all types of fonts. You can have all types of footers, buttons. You see the overlay when you hover over the button. You see all the hyperlinks, the professional videos, the setup like this. You create your own membership site. So if you're someone looking at this, maybe you already have a business. Maybe you're looking for digital products for a second income. If you have a business and you want to set up membership services, directories and stuff like that, and have a nice laid out website, you'll be able to use the Home Business Academy's funnel builder. We also have a third product which is extra. It's called the Financial Literacy Academy. So if you want to learn, getting into those investment things, you or anybody you refer to the Home Business Academy is going to be able to get this as well. So we start off with these first two products if you want to come in and really have success in building a business online. So the funnel builder, so you can build your websites for your digital products. And this goes for any digital products you find. And we have the HBA premium traffic and conversions, which is the digital products that are going to help you market. So you have everything pretty much built in one system. So once again, I'm not here to show you how to create digital products, because digital products really are what you want them to be. It's usually education anyways, courses, ebooks. You can create that simple, create that quick and then host it on your website. So once you start learning these strategies, for example, once you start learning stuff like Facebook, Instagram, you can create an ebook, however long you want, put it into a PDF, and then that's your digital product. You see what I'm saying? So once you come in here and start learning these things, you can put together your own ebook and sell it as a digital product. And what's great about that is it's something that you can sell forever as long as the information is updated. You can sell that thing forever. So you can have that digital product hosted on one of your websites with the Home Business Academy, and you can just keep selling that thing over and over and over and over and over. That's the power of digital products. But the reason why I push stuff like education is because a lot of people want to know how. I can give you digital products, lead magnets, and things like that. But the biggest problem and why people don't start an online business is because they don't know how to do affiliate marketing. They don't know how to market. They just don't know how to get it out there. And they don't want to talk to their family and friends. So why not come into a digital product system that's going to show you how to market anything? Anything. Affiliate marketing is big. And you already have some done for you products to resell. You're going to be able to make your own professional website. We're going to show you how to look professional. We're going to show you how to set everything up and become that ultimate marketer that you want it to be. So I'm going to end this video. I hope you got some real good information, and I hope you really go to the description and check out the first link and see these digital products and see why they're so big and why this system it could change your life. No income results guaranteed. I can't guarantee you any results, but I can tell you if you put the work in, anything is possible. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.